Alright, so what I've got here is a Dynamic Cooking Systems DCS model number 305SS-L, and I've seen this on the internet and a lot of different forums, so what I wanted to show you is what's actually happening to this stove. So it lights, and you can actually hear the clicking. Okay, so let me turn this off. I've taken apart the entire stove and I determined exactly what the problem was, and it's this little blue box on the front, and here's the new one right here. It is a 5-point gas reigniter, 230 Charlie 5G. You can get it off the internet. It's like, I don't know, 95, $100. The most important thing before you take this stove apart, don't do what I did, is unplug the electricity from the stove, turn off your gas. These 4, 5 points right here in the front are hot. They will burn you. Well, they won't burn you, they'll electrocute you. The first thing to do to replace this little blue box is to only, let me say that again, to only take off the front. There are the knobs, sorry about that, there are knobs on each one of these that pop off, and then there's 2 screws for the oven. Then there are 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, and one here, that pops off. So then you'll have access to the front of the stove, and you'll be able to unplug these orange wires, unplug this little clip right here, and then just replace it, and then just put it back together. So that should solve your problem afterwards, and I've already done it. It works fine. So I hope this video helps a lot of people out there.